Hey fam bam, welcome back to my channel. If you like to see how I created this very easy but yet very effective DIY deep conditioner, I'll suggest you just stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Guys, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's keep this community growing. Okay guys, I'm using just 5 very basic ingredients for this. This is fresh aloe vera gel that I just extracted today, and I'm also using 4 very ripe bananas, and I'm also using ghee, which is also called clarified butter, and I'm using mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is my protein because it's made from egg yolk, and I'm also using apple cider vinegar. So guys, this is a very simple, very simple deep conditioner. All you have to do right now is to transfer your ingredients to your blender. So I'm just peeling my ripe bananas, I'm transferring them to my blender. This deep conditioner is very balanced, so it's moisture and protein balanced, so it's great for any hair type. So I'm also going to put roughly about 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is great for getting rid of itchy scalp and dandruff, and if you have any issues with your any scalp diseases, takes care of that. And I'm using 1 heaped tablespoon of ghee. Guys, ghee is called clarified butter, which is like oil, so it's amazing for your hair. It keeps your hair moisturized for longer, it keeps your hair shiny, it ensures that you don't develop dry itchy scalp. So I always have ghee handy for my DIYs. So I'm just going to go off camera to blend everything. Guys, it's very important, do not use water to blend this, not even 1 drop. I did not put water in this and see the consistency. So transfer what you want to use to a clean plastic bowl. Like I said earlier guys, I think the 4 bananas were too much, so I'll probably recommend you use just 2. As you can see, I had to use just half of my mix, so 2 would have been enough. So this is where I transfer my fresh aloe vera gel, and the reason I'm using fresh aloe vera gel at this point is because it gives that sleep that aloe vera gel has. Your mixture will have that sleep, and you need that sleep for extra moisture in your hair. So we don't blend the aloe vera with the mixture because it will lose that sleep. So we put the aloe vera at this point because the sleep is just amazing, and your hair would benefit better from your mix having the sleep from aloe vera. So guys, that is it, that is all. This is what we came up with. Very nourishing, very moisturizing, very rich deep conditioner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.